Before I'm done, I have to show you how to create an account on Replit so that you do not have to install anything. You go to login, you go to sign up. You can use one of these as well if you have a GitHub account already, or you can use Google. I will simply type down my email for Replit. Okay. And I'm in. Continue. Choose your name, surname, and yes. So it's free, but I think you're limited to 3 files, but you can simply delete them. Right, and write them over, or you can, I'm not sure you're allowed, if you have a free account, to download the Python files. But if you cannot, you simply copy and paste into Notepad, as I showed you earlier, and you save the programs wherever you like on your computer, and then you just write another one within the same file. So the way you do that, the way you create a Python file, is you go on the search bar here, type Python, you click on it, create REPL, and it's asking you to verify your email first. We can do that. Applet. Now click on the link. The email is being verified, and yeah, we are done. You can just go here, you can skip all this, close this down, and this is where you write your code. Print 1. To run your code, you click on the green box, and everything ran smoothly. So we are done.